DLN is an independent systems integrator. We help companies optimize distribution and warehousing challenges across a wide range of different industries. Our goal is to be a really holistic partner for our clients. The first step in the process is to really develop a deep understanding of our client's business in order to build a future projection of the business. And then the design is geared toward that future of where they're trying to go and what business they're trying to support down the road.
Our role is to define, validate, and accurately size the solutions we deliver. Not doing these could lead to costly mistakes, project overruns, undersizing a solution. Ultimately is mitigating risk and come up with the best possible solutions for our clients.
DLN is a very agile company. All of the people that are part of your project are able to make decisions.
We don't start with equipment in mind. We look at the big picture with our clients, and then we're able to choose the best equipment based on the end goal in mind.
DLN also helps clients design greenfield facilities. This can start as early as a network strategy and a business need and a data set, and then we help them actually implement the system as well.
So after the solution is designed with our solutions department, project management will come in, we'll procure the equipment, we'll install and commission the equipment. We communicate with our customers frequently. Our ultimate goal is to give them a solution that will provide a competitive advantage.
After it gets passed through the execution solutions team, then it gets moved to the execution team, which has a fully in-house software, mechanical, controls, and robotics engineering team. We also have a robust life cycle service team and a solutions team in-house. We have our own software. It's called ProDirect. That gives us a lot of flexibility and capability to bring all of those features and functionalities to our customers.
We can help you whether we installed your system or not. We offer everything to support your system through its entire life cycle and longevity. We have highly trained service techs that can head out to site and make any repairs that you need.
It could be a simple solution like rack, or it could be a conveyor, sortation system, ASRS, or a customized automation solution. But we're able to choose from a wide array of equipment manufacturers.
We have a 24/7 hotline service that provides support over the phone. Additionally, we have spare parts. So if you're looking for some extra stuff on your site or you need some replacement parts, we're here to support you with that.
DLN has the resources to support small projects as well as big projects. We can support your system whether you're West Coast, East Coast, North, or South.